It's a 2014 Ford Edge. Stay cool, calm, and connected in this confident cruiser. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, 4 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com puts forth the Ford Edge is still worth a look for family-oriented buyers interested in a comfortable, all-around competent package. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.